Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted. A very beautiful hand painting design all over the saree. A very beautiful pallu here. The shades of red. We also have yellow in the middle. Beautiful floral one. And you can see the borders in red shades. The same orangey red color is the blouse piece here with green borders. Yellow and green border. The saree have beautiful part. You can see the middle is in green. And both sides we have the floral and painting works along with the trial area border. This comes all over the saree. Very pretty work. Excellent color saree. The lower half is completely green with just the borders. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality. Hand painted and hand batik printed. A very beautiful black pallu with sunflower design. Beautiful batik printing is also there on the colors. Very pretty pallu with red borders, and we have a plain black blouse piece. The saree have a very beautiful Rama green in the mid with batik printing, and on both sides we have black. Borders are given in red and the flower painting is given all over. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted. Very beautiful batik printed saree, red and black color pallu with hand painting in white. We have a pure black blouse piece, plain one. The saree is a very pretty design. You can see the batiks closely printed all over in the mid portion on half white. And top we have orange red, and lower part we have both black and orange red painting designs in box. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, batik printed and hand painted. A different design saree here. Pallu, a very beautiful blue base pallu, sky blue color, and we have a pond concept fish design in the pallu, completely hand painted. Very beautiful fishes. And we have an yellow blouse piece, very contrast one. Yellow blouse as well as the whole saree have batik printing using black. This is the body of the saree. The top sleeve we have blue base and fishes, and the lower part yellow base with only the lower part have border kind painting designs. A partly kind design of saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted beautiful sarees. Lightweight and easy to carry, elegant Sonamughi silks. And here we have a pallu that is in pond concept, a multicolored, very beautiful and attractive pallu here with a dark Prussian blue color blouse piece, very contrast one, completely plain blouse piece it is. And the saree here is in copper sulphate blue with the black border at the top, thin border, and the very beautiful plant design painted in the lower half. And we also have the painting design in the inner self of the saree. Very beautiful, excellent hand painting with authentic silk work. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality. A very beautiful hand painted sarees here, elegantly hand painted, lightweight and easy to carry, beautiful silks. Here we have a white pallu, half white color, almost in white shade with the very different design peacocks and the blue flowers and leaves design hand painted in the pallu with the light yellow color borders, and we have a contrast sky blue color blouse piece here with yellow border, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same concept, running as in pallu, elegantly done. The color combination is very pretty, a classy version, very pretty Sonamughi hand painted one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality. A very beautiful hand painted sarees, lightweight, easy to carry, beautiful silks. Here we have a black pallu with beautiful leaf design, and the leaf design have the batik prints also, multi-color, and we have black blouse piece, plain black blouse piece color. The body have beautiful design here, half saree model type. The top half is in half white with the batik printing using black all over and the leaf pattern in both side borders. And the lower half is completely green, parrot green and aqua shade color with very elegant batik segment. Beautiful saree, very elegantly done with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, saree, 3-ply quality, a very beautiful hand painted saree, black here, lightweight, easy to carry, very beautiful Sonamugi here. And it is a very colorful paints, the water lily concept, very elegantly hand painted with red blouse piece. The red and black are really fantastic, looking really eye-catchy color and concept. Complete saree is in black portion itself with the red flowers, and also we have some yellow flowers, beautifully done, very attractive color with authentic silk work. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, very beautiful hand painted design. Here we have a black saree with black pallu, very elegantly hand painted fish pattern, the colorful fishes with batik concept as well. And we also have the grey hand paints used all over the saree. And we have a bluish grey color blouse piece, contrast one with one side border design, just painted. Lightweight and easy to carry, beautiful silk, completely in black with the grey and white spots. And we have beautiful fish pattern, completely hand painted in the lower half. Elegant saree, excellently hand painted with authentic silk. Pure Sonamugi, beautiful silk saree, 3-ply quality, easy to carry, lightweight, beautiful sarees here. In a hand painted version, here we have a very differently hand painted pallu. The shades of red, pink and brown are used here, as well as yellow. The saree basically is in blue with the paintings on it. And we have plain blouse piece in same blue color, very light sky blue color saree and blouse piece. And we have the hand painting designs in the middle part of the saree as well. You see just the painting design, modern type, very elegantly done, trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, a beautiful 3-ply quality, easy to carry, very elegant hand painted sarees. Here we have the saree in a beautiful purple shade. This is the pallu with fully hand painted design. It is done using half white color, and we have a very contrast, the same pallu color, contrast one for the body blouse piece with one side navy blue color borders, and we have the hand paints in it. And the saree is having a beautiful pattern. The pallu design continues, and here the navy blue portion starts and then increases in a beautiful way, and almost it goes to the end in a diagonally increasing pattern. Very elegant one. The navy blue pattern is completely plain and the purple pattern is completely hand painted. A very beautiful version with authentic silk. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply, beautiful quality, soft and lightweight, easy to carry silks in a hand painted version. Here we have a very beautiful saree with an excellent pallu. The pallu have a beautiful choco brown color, a triangle pattern. Inside it, the birds are hand painted, and we also have orange and pink version with the lines pattern in the saree and pallu. And we have very contrast pink blouse piece, completely plain pink, very contrast blouse piece. The whole saree have the rainbow concept, red, yellow, and multiple colors are given, along with the stripes pattern lines all over, within border in white as well. The lower half we have the charcoal brown color, beautiful pallu like painting designs, birds, excellently painted using very beautiful colors. Elegant saree, completely hand painted with authentic silk. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply, beautiful, soft and lightweight, easy to carry silks. And here we have a hand painted pallu, black base for the pallu with a beautiful big purple color flower, very big flower, very beautifully hand painted with black blouse piece. And we have a tri-color border in the blouse piece, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree is in almost a fluorescent green, beautiful radiant light green color, and we have the tri-color borders in both sides. Excellently hand painted, beautiful saree, elegant combination, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Sonamugi silk saree, 3-ply quality, beautiful, easy to carry, very elegant silks. In a hand painted version, here we have a black pallu, beautiful hand paints on half white and blue is given for the hand paints, base colors. And we have a very different yellow, it's a pastel yellow color blouse piece with one side hand painted design. The saree is in beautiful pink shade, very elegant light onion peel pink color. With both sides we have the black portion. On it the hand painting work is done as in the front. Excellent one. The blue portion is also given. Borders is also given on the saree. Elegant hand painted Sonamughi silk with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree. Hand painted beautiful sarees. 3-ply. Very elegant, beautiful, lightweight and easy to carry sarees. And the saree here and the pallu are in cream color base. Very beautiful hand paints in the pallu. Blue, royal blue and orange and yellow are used here. The water plant concept. And we have the orange, a bright version, orange pallu, the blouse piece. With very beautiful cream base color saree. The complete saree have the all 3 colors, the orange, yellow and blue is used for the paintings, and we also have a thin yellow borders in both sides. Elegant saree, completely hand painted with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 4-ply, beautiful quality, hand painted silk, lightweight, easy to carry, very elegant sarees. And here we have a beautiful pallu. You can see the artwork, yellow base and green used for the painting. The flowers are in very beautiful red and orange color finish with a black border all over. Thin border it is with the same yellow blouse piece. The yellow here is little brighter, lighter version. And the saree also is in yellow with red paints in the top and the green paints at the bottom. White portion also given in the saree. Very beautiful saree, elegant one, completely hand painted. Excellent creation with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality. A very beautiful hand painted silk, very elegant, modern, artistic paint here. The pallu is Meera concept. You can see the very elegant hand paint. Not directly given, but we can see a Ganesha as well. Ganesha face, a Parvati concept actually. A blue and light blue and half white are used for the colors, and the base of the saree is red here with the royal blue color blouse piece. The saree is very elegantly done. The concept of the saree is beautifully done here. And here the saree is in Prussian blue. You can see the difference, mild difference between the blouse and the saree. Completely Prussian blue color, plain saree here. Excellently hand painted, beautiful work with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi, 3-ply quality. Excellent, soft, easy to carry silk and a hand painted version on it. Here we have a beautiful Vanasingaram hand painted on cream half white color parrots, cocktail kind parrots on the Vanasingaram Kodi type tree design. And we have a very contrast red blouse piece, completely contrast one. The whole body have a thin border, a 1-inch border in red hand painted one, and the mango yellow portion of the saree extends from smaller version to almost a half and half pattern, the 3-by-half pattern. And the lower half we have the hand painted beautiful design. An excellent saree, beautiful colors, attractive one with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, a hand painted beautiful design. Here we have a very beautiful black saree with black pallu. The black is bringing the colors in a very excellent way. A beautiful drawing in the painted version in the pallu. Blue flower, a big blue flower. And we have plain blouse piece in same black. The leaves are painted in very different colors. And the body as well, we have the pink flower as well as a big blue flower with the Kodi designs all over. It's completely hand painted and a very beautiful modern design, elegantly done with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, hand painted, batik printed. A very beautiful black pallu here with beautiful hand painting design done in by half white and other colors. We also have a plain blouse piece with one side border design in half white and painted design. The saree is a very pretty design. You can see diagonally split into black and white with batik printing, and the borders are given in hand paint design on black. Very pretty, elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, batik printed and hand painted designs on pure Sonamughi silk. A Very beautiful triangular pallu here. Excellent design on white base saree. Batik printing done using mustard and brown in the saree, and we have triangle pattern with multiple colors and floral and hand paint version. And we have a plain black blouse piece one side, 2 lines in white. Very different saree. The concept goes very differently. Dark pleats near the chest. We have the hand paint version, and again the feet part, the lower feet design have hand painting design. Very beautiful one. You can see differently done, very elegant and classy with authentic silk work. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, hand painted and batik printed. A very beautiful pallu here. A dragonfly design on black borders, and we have white base. Beautiful black batik printed, and painting is done using multiple colors for the wings of the dragonfly. Excellent work. We have a plain black blouse piece. In contrast with pallu, the saree is in full black with lower part alone we have hand paintings. Dragonfly is given in the blouse saree also. You can see the batik prints all over. Very beautiful design with authentic silk work. Pure Sonamughi silk saree, 3-ply quality, premium one, hand painted. A very beautiful pallu here on a yellowish green color base. We have a floral, a flower, hibiscus kind of flower. Very big painting, beautifully done with a red blouse piece, plain red. We have a very beautiful designing in the body as well. You can see the top portion is completely green, and lower we have half white with completely batik printed. And we also have the design, hand painted design in the top pleat. The lower pleat is completely vertical line stripes pattern in multiple colors. Very beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk.